Go, 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 go. We didn't win. We lost.
Put that right there.
Okay.
This is the kitty that snuck into our school library.
मतलब पूरी ना एकदम शाइन मार रही है अगर तुम देखोगे. It's already started. Okay. Yeah. Oh wow. Scarlett, nobody's going this way. Let's go.
Come on.
हर बच्चों को एक एक टॉयज मिलेगा यहाँ पे. जितने भी एक्स ग्राउंड में पड़े हैं सारे एक्स को एक एक करके उठाने होते हैं बच्चों को. Okay.
Every hour we're going to draw a prize.
Oh, okay,
So
okay.
I need to know what to do. So this is actually a resource fair. So it's similar to something like this.
स्वागत है आपका स्टेट साइड मानव के एक नए ब्लॉग के अंदर. आज हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं ईस्टर कैलिफोर्निया के एक छोटे से शहर चाउचिला में. हाँ, वही फेस्टिवल जिसमें लोग कहते हैं कि जीसस क्राइस्ट तीसरे दिन में जिंदा हो गए थे जब उनको लकड़ी के क्रॉस पर टांग दिया गया था, हाथों और पैरों में कील मारकर. अमेरिका में ईस्टर सिर्फ रिलीजियस ही नहीं, एक फुल ऑन फैमिली फेस्टिवल बन गया है. बच्चे करते हैं ईस्टर एग हंट, मिलती है चॉकलेट्स, होती है मस्ती, खेलते हैं गेम्स और सब लोग फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं. तो चलो मेरे साथ देखते हैं ईस्टर की अमेरिकन स्टाइल सेलिब्रेशन यूएसए की गलियों के अंदर.
So we have different drawings. So this is more for like the family, and this is for children.
Okay.
But you can put your name and your phone number, so that way I can get a hold of you if you're still not here.
Okay.
This is a child abuse resource fair that we're promoting in Madera.
Okay.
This is a conference that we're going to have. This is actually, there's a fee to come to that, but you're more than welcome to take one of those. And then over here we have some positive parenting tips. It's English and Spanish to pass out. Some great little tips. Sometimes we're in those moments where we like, I need to know what to do. And so if you feel like you have more people backing you up.
Oh, okay.
And we have coloring. So yes. So help yourself.
So how is it going to help me out? Like, what is this talking about? It says email information.
So this is actually a resource fair. So it's similar to something like this.
Okay.
But all the booths that are going to be there are different resources that you have in the community, like in the Madera County.
Okay.
Like you'll be like the fire department, police officers, things like that. Different agencies, child abuse prevention, child custody, things like that. So basically it's a kind of a one-stop shop. You can go and you can get all this information that you need.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, all the different resources. Sometimes it's nice to just go and know, just be able to see, like, there's all these things that are for you.
So it doesn't have a date, right? Oh, April 17th.
yes, it's the
okay,
17th.
okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And which form we need to fill? You said
What was that?
something need to be filled, right? You said.
Oh, yes. These
Oh,
are
this.
the,
Oh, this
The
one.
pin, yeah. If
Okay.
you want to put your name and your phone number on
Oh
it.
yeah, sure, I do it.
And we have two different drawings. This one is books for
This
little
one,
ones,
this one.
and this is more of a family.
Okay.
Hi, thank you. Make sure you take some coloring.
Yeah, actually,
Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.
So it's gonna be April 17th on where?
Yes, it's going to be in Madera.
Oh, okay, Madeira. Okay. So this is my phone name and
you.
number. And this is also for us?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, that one's for you.
Okay.
And, yeah.
Okay.
And then we have some red, or I'm thinking red ribbon,
Oh,
blue
blue ribbon.
ribbons to
Okay.
wear to just bring awareness for everybody to know that you are in support of providing different resources for parents.
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too? This is for what? Like if I give you my name and number?
So yeah, so you're gonna put the name.
Okay.
You're gonna guess how many, and then you can write the number on the back.
Okay.
Every hour we're going to draw a prize.
Oh, okay,
so
okay.
that way, even if you go home, if
Okay.
you're close, if
Okay.
you're the winner, we're still gonna call you to come down.
Oh, my name and number. Okay, we need to guess. Okay. Okay, this color you wanna do? Go do it.
Oh, wait,
Oh, gracias.
We need to guess like how many cottons are there in the jar. So, what do you think? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Did you do a guess?
I'm thinking like maybe like 44, around 44. So I put it here.
Yes.
Okay, do this, Scarlett. Okay, here, like this. I'm doing for you, Scarlett. And do it here. Scratch to off to reveal 5 Easter eggs. And win.
2, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You want me to put it in there for
I don't know. Maybe it's like same color. Yeah.
They need the same color.
Same color.
Yeah, they have to be, no, but they have to be in a row.
Oh, we lost.
That's okay. Here you go. Here's still candy, okay?
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks.
And a baggie for her.
Okay. Okay.
You could just.
Okay. So you guys call me up for to discuss.
Yeah, I'll call you and give you the information about it.
Oh, okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Did I give you a flyer, right?
Oh yeah, it's there inside.
Awesome,
Thanks.
Thank you.
तो दोस्तों यहाँ पे इन्होंने सारे एग्स वगैरह यहाँ पे रख दिए हैं ग्राउंड में। बच्चे सारे एक एक करके जाएंगे और इसको कलेक्ट करेंगे। 1 से 3 साल की उम्र वाले बच्चे दोस्तों सबसे पहले जाएंगे अंदर और एग्स कलेक्ट करेंगे। तो 10 बजे खुलेगा। Yeah, they gave this. I'll leave it there. Yeah. Wait, we cannot go right now. Why? Because the time is 10. What time is it? Check the time here. So the time is 9:46. We need to go inside in 14 minutes. 14 minutes left, okay? तो दोस्तों इस वाले ग्राउंड में हम लोग जाने वाले हैं। जितने भी एक्स ग्राउंड में पड़े हैं सारे एक्स को एक एक करके उठाने होते हैं बच्चों को। तो जितने भी बच्चे हैं दोस्तों ग्राउंड के अंदर जितने भी बच्चे होंगे उनको 4 से 5 मिनट मिलेंगे सारे एक्स वगैरह को कलेक्ट करने। तो दोस्तों मैं ये बोल रहा था आपको कि 4 से 5 मिनट मिलते हैं इन एक्स वगैरह को जो ग्राउंड में पड़े हैं कलेक्ट करने के लिए। तो इन एक्स के अंदर दोस्तों रहती हैं चॉकलेट्स, किसी किसी एक्स के अंदर रहेंगे कॉइन्स वगैरह और किसी किसी एक्स के अंदर होते हैं डॉलर बिल्स वगैरह। तो बच्चों को दोस्तों 5 मिनट मिलेंगे सारे एक्स कलेक्ट करने के लिए। तो बच्चे काफ़ी एक्साइटेड रहते हैं दोस्तों। सबसे पहले जाने वाले हैं 1 साल से 3 साल की उम्र वाले बच्चे, जिसमें मेरे दोनों बच्चे आते हैं, मेरा कैंड्री और मेरी स्कारलेट। मेरा कैंड्री 1 साल का है और मेरी जो डॉटर है वो दोस्तों वो 3 साल की है। तो मैं अपनी डॉटर को लेके जाऊंगा ग्राउंड के अंदर और मेरी वाइफ लेके जाएगी कैंड्री को लेके। तो फिर बने रहो, दिखाता हूँ तुम्हें कैसे यहाँ पे लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं ईस्टर को। और इसको बोलते हैं दोस्तों यहाँ पे ईस्टर एग्स। तो ईस्टर एग्स का मतलब है दोस्तों, ईस्टर वाले एग्स का मतलब बनाते हैं, प्लास्टिक के एग्स होते हैं, उसके अंदर कुछ ना कुछ गिफ्ट मिलता है आपको। तो बच्चे इससे एक्साइटेड रहते हैं कि एग्स के अंदर क्या मिलने वाला है उनको। आई थिंक वी नीड टू गो देयर नो।
So cute.
No, here. Line up. तो लाइन में लगना पड़ेगा, सबको एक एक करके लाइन में लगा रहे हैं। एग्जैक्ट 10 बजे 200 एग हंट स्टार्ट हो जाएगा यहाँ पे। तो लाइन में लग चुके हैं।
When I blow this horn, okay, you're gonna run and go get them. And then we're gonna exit over here.
Okay.
The thing is, these are all empty eggs, so they're gonna give them back to us. Of course, they're gonna have a meltdown. They really want the eggs.
Oh.
We're not gonna,
Okay.
But, so they give us the eggs back, and then we're gonna give them a toy.
Okay.
As they're
Yeah.
running out, okay?
तो दोस्तों एग्स कलेक्ट करके वापस भी करने पड़ेंगे एग्स इनको, और उसके बाद ही बच्चों को टॉयज़ देंगे। हर बच्चों को एक एक टॉयज़ मिलेगा यहाँ पे। तो देखते हैं क्या मिलने वाला है। बच्चे काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हैं, सारे 1 से 3 साल तक के बच्चे हैं। और जैसी ये वाली लेडी जो सामने है, जैसी हॉर्न बजाती है सारे बच्चे भागेंगे और एग्स कलेक्ट करना स्टार्ट कर देंगे। ओके,
Right there. Who has the horn? I have the horn. I'm the horn. Horn down.
राइट देयर। ओके,
We should all be in the dirt area, please. Section is for 3 and under. Everybody's gonna get a chance. So we have siblings out here. We're gonna start shortly. Just let the 3 and under run out.
Woo, let's go. Go. Scarlett, nobody's going this way. Okay, let's go. Collect the eggs. Here. Go. Collect. Pick them. I hold it. I hold this. Okay, do it. Do it. Ow. Put them. Do it. Okay. Good job. Do it. Don't look at the other kids, Scarlett. Yeah. It's good. Do it. Here, down there. Over there. Let's go there. Candy, with Candy. Come, 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 come. Here, do it, do it, do it. Collect, 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 collect.
Look at that blue one. Look at that blue one.
Scarlett, what you doing? Collect eggs. Yeah, keep collecting the eggs. Yeah, yeah, that's good. Yeah. Fill this basket. Come on, here. Come on here. One more. Oh, that's no. Don't take that. Yeah, yeah. Oh, it's okay. Take this one. Okay, collect more. Scarlett, here. Wow. Here. Kendry. Done? What happened to you? More, no more eggs? That's it? Okay, Scarlett. Done? Okay, let's go. We need to give them the eggs back, okay? Okay, let's go from here. तो दोस्तों इस तरह से बच्चे जो हैं एग्स कलेक्ट करते हैं और एग्स कलेक्ट करने के बाद जितने भी दोस्तों एग्स कलेक्ट हुए हैं सारे वापस करने पड़ेंगे और इसके बदले मिलेगा तो एक टॉय बच्चों को तो लेट्स सी क्या मिलता है एक्सक्यूज मी सॉरी वी आर टुगेदर या स्टे हियर स्टे हियर
There you go. Some of these have. I thought they have something.
ओह
There you go.
थैंक यू
You're very welcome.
दोस्तों ये गिफ्ट मिला है सारे एग्स यहाँ पे देने पड़ेंगे ओह वाओ दिस इज फॉर यू ओह दिस इज फॉर कैंड्री Okay, I still put it here, okay?
Hey, tómales una foto.
Scarlet cheese! Here, Scarlet cheese! Go shake hands. Shake. Thank you. No. You want to paint the face? Oh, it's a big line? Yeah, it's a big line.
Up against the fence, please.
And we're also doing a free raffle for Easter baskets if you want to sign up over there.
Okay, sure.
I get some
Okay.
eggs and then you get a prize at the end.
Go, 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 come. It's okay, it's okay.
Some eggs, then you get a prize at the end.
Now, can I get a small bucket for him?
Oh yeah.
Which one? This-
Anyone.
That one? Okay.
Yeah, and then they dump the
Here.
eggs at the end and then there's a prize.
Okay, 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 sure. Collect eggs! What's happening? Where are you going? Okay, okay. Okay, collect. Push, 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 push. 1, 2. Scarlett, you need to collect the eggs and they will give you the gift there. Okay? Put here. See, collect the eggs, give there. Okay? Yeah, first collect. Okay, collect. I collect for him.
Parent with the full white, white, and blue T-shirt will meet us over at first base, please.
All right. Let's go. His bucket is full. Let's go. Okay, put there scarlet eggs here. Okay, come. Wait. She'll give you. Wait. Take one, whatever you like, Scarlett. Which one you want? Only this? Okay.
No?
Or just one?
One.
They can take two? Yeah. Okay. Take two. You got two options. Done? So any kids can take two, right?
Weister, Stacy, can you please call Vanessa?
ये हैप्पी स्कारलेट? ओह वाह! तो दोस्तों अभी हमने किया है एक और नया एग हंट और इसमें स्कारलेट को मिला ये वाला गिफ्ट। तो इस तरह से दोस्तों यहाँ पे जो है एक्टिविटीज़ वगैरह कराते हैं बच्चों को। अब देखोगे जंपर्स वगैरह भी लगे पड़े हैं बच्चों के लिए। यहाँ पे देखो ये एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए लगा पड़ा है, यहाँ पे लगा पड़ा है, उस साइड भी कुछ लगा पड़ा है शूटिंग के लिए। विच वन यू वांट टू डू? ओके wait, okay, you can do this one. Okay, take the ball in the hand and throw over there. Like take the ball like that and put in the hole here, like this. 1, 2, yeah, throw it, take it. Where is he? What you doing there?
I'll just give you
Oh yeah, thanks, thank you. बच्चों को मिली दोस्तों 2 कैंडीज एज अ गिफ्ट ये वाला गेम खेलने के वजह से। Scarlett, go throw on the top. There are 3, like throw there. Oh, good try. Throw. Oh, you did it. Go throw, Scarlett. Good job. Hey. Take it. Hey, go throw. Wow, good job. Hey. Yeah, do it. Throw. Throw it. Go throw. Yeah. Oh. तो दोस्तों ये है यूएस की फायर ब्रिगेड और अगर घर में या किसी जगह पे आग लगती है तो ये लोग आते हैं इसे बुझाने के लिए। पास से दिखाता हूँ दोस्तों तुम लोगों को।
Let's go in there and sit. Let's go.
I don't know.
It's already started.
Okay.
Yeah. So, okay. Oh wow. Can I take the camera, record inside too? Thanks for this. Oh wow. Thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome.
लिखा भी हुआ है दोस्तों उसके ऊपर चाउचिला फायर, नंबर डाला हुआ है 63। आई थिंक दोस्तों यहाँ से पानी का इनलेट है, पंप इनटेक लिखा हुआ है, डिस्चार्ज लार्ज डायमीटर डिस्चार्ज लिखा भी हुआ है, पंप ड्रेन ऑफ। मतलब पूरी ना एकदम शाइन मार रही है, अगर तुम देखोगे ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा भाई कहीं धूल वगैरह होती है। तो दोस्तों ऑफिसर्स काफ़ी बढ़िया थे, उन्होंने मुझे रिकॉर्ड करने दिया अंदर, और अंदर मैं बैठा, क्या आलीशान सी गाड़ी सी बना रखी है अंदर से, मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था मतलब कहाँ आ गए, कुछ प्लेन वगैरह चला रहे हो जैसे। तो फ्रेंड्स तुमको पुलिस की गाड़ियाँ मैं दिखाता हूँ, यहाँ पे देखो पुलिस की गाड़ियाँ कैसी होती है। पुलिस की सारी गाड़ियाँ दोस्तों फोर्ड ही बनाता है यहाँ पे। Oh, you broke it,
No,
Scarlett.
it doesn't break. It goes back.
Okay. Which one you want to pick? Smarties? Done? Okay. Thank you. Why?
Would you like a coloring page about a kitty? There you go.
Okay.
This is the kitty that snuck into our school library. Yes, that's what she looks like in real life. Yeah.
Oh, where did she got stuck? In Chowchilla?
In Chowchilla. Yeah, I
Oh.
work at Fuller, and she snuck into our school library, and
Okay.
we put her outside a gate, and
Okay.
then she snuck back
Okay.
over and over. And so I wrote a book about it for our students.
Oh, wow.
And this is the illustrator, and he made us some coloring pages for today to share with kids.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
That's
these
nice.
are all empty.
Take the color. So Maria Powell, is it you?
That's me.
Oh, wow.
And Jason Greco is him.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we live here in Chowchilla.
Oh, that's really
And I
nice.
still work at the library.
Oh, okay. It's not that good. We need to do better. Okay. Yeah, this color here. Use different colors, okay? Done? I take with us?
That looks beautiful. Good job.
Thank you for stopping and for coloring. She's so
Okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Hi there. Did you text her today? I have text.
Oh, can I buy a ticket?
Oh, yes, certainly. You want one?
Yeah, one.
Just one?
Oh, okay, then I take.
That's some good salesmanship there.
Yeah,
Just one.
you are a good seller. I take two.
Two. All right. There we go. Put your name and phone number.
Sure.
And then if we win, we'll call you and deliver.
Okay, sure. Thanks.
Thank you.
Pancakes, scrambled eggs, 2 sausages.
We're behind the ticket.
Choice of juice.
Right behind the ticket.
Your
Okay.
name and number, and if you win,
Okay.
call you and then bring it to you.
11
Okay.
and up. Cash only. $7.50 for ages 5 to 10.
You love watching a big face. I know.
Are
Oh, that's diesel.
Diesel.
Yeah, diesel.
I love watching. I like she loves the big one. Okay, diesel.
I also like that. I have like 4 or 5 collection of similar watch from diesel.
Put that right there.
Which brand you like?
I actually the ones that I have it's a girl brand, right?
Oh,
But
okay.
then I have Guess. My husband just bought me one. It's a big Guess, black.
Oh, okay.
But the bad thing about that is, when they have no numbers or nothing, it's kind of hard. I just use it for decoration. It's not like we use your phone to look at the time.
Yeah.
It's not really. It's just about wearing the.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, thank you. I'm
Yeah.
not sure. I like the face on that one.
Oh, yeah. Thanks.
We'll call you if you win.
Oh, yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
once again, this is for Allison, basket number 5. If you could
Come, Scarlett. You don't need to ask. Like she has a number and my name. But do you think we're gonna win? You have 2 tickets. Scarlett, come here. No, they're gonna announce the name. My name also. So he got the lucky. He's the luckiest one.
I know the technique.
How many cotton balls were there? 64?
I guess.
Oh wow. Thank you. Yeah. How did you guess it is 64?
You have to count it up and down and then side to side.
That's what I did.
No,
Yeah?
you didn't beat it.
No, I just counted from the top to bottom and the sides and multiply.
Yeah.
Mine was 44.
It was. I got 8 times 8.
Yeah. No, we didn't win. She announced the name. If nobody comes, maybe they can withdraw the other one. I bought 2 tickets. Let's go buy over there. We didn't win. We lost. In my hands? Okay, let's go. Say bye to the camera. तो दोस्तों बाय बोलने का टाइम आ चुका है. पूरा जो भी सेलिब्रेशन था ईस्टर का ख़त्म हो चुका है. सारी फैमिली जा चुकी है. आप देख सकते हो पीछे सब लोग जा चुके हैं पार्क से. बस हम लोग भी अब जा रहे हैं. तो दोस्तों बताना कैसा लगा आपको ये वाला ब्लॉग. तो मैं मिलता हूँ दोस्तों आपको अगली वीडियो के अंदर. तब तक के लिए अपना ध्यान रखो. बाय बाय एंड टेक केयर. Which one I try?
Mira, Scarlett.
For me? Okay. It's bigger for me. That's bigger. Okay.
You guys find everything okay?
Yeah, we're
Yes.
okay. Thanks.
What?
This is for girls.
This is for girls.
It's for girls.
No, doesn't.
You, like, for you, come. But it's bigger for you, okay? Wow!
Oh, it looks pretty.
Check the price here. 89.99. दोस्तों यहाँ है बूट्स ही बूट्स. सारे काउबॉय स्टाइल बूट्स.
You want to check?
These what is these are bags? It's for horse riding. I can try this American one. American flag. The other one. Let's try this one. Oh,
Try
is-
this,
Show me how much is this? 149. Okay.
Mana.
I don't like the boots. You're saying so. I'm trying. Let's check the price. एक जो था वाइट एक बूट्स. There's a mirror. दोस्तों कैसा लग रहा है फिर ये वाला बूट. हाइट एकदम बड़ी सी लग रही है. ऐसे देखो What?
Put this in
I'm
the-
not going to try get for the evening. This one. Yeah. I open. I don't like this thing.
But it's like that. Have it for the back.
But
Yeah, looks good.
I think this is giving me 2 inch more height. 2 inch more height.
Please, one time in July. Yeah.
I don't like this. It should be like
Yeah.
this. It's good. Maybe next time.
Ay, mana.
Maybe next time. दोस्तों वाइफ पीछे पड़ चुकी है कि काउबॉय स्टाइल वाले कपड़े लेने, लेकिन मेरा बिल्कुल मन नहीं है, मुझे अच्छे नहीं लगते वाले कपड़े। अब जैसे दोस्तों ये जीन्स है, इतनी चौड़ी जीन्स है, ये स्टाइल अब मतलब मेरे बस की नहीं है दोस्तों, ये सब पहनना। मना करने वाला हूँ, मुझे नहीं खरीदना कुछ भी इस तरह। देखो जूते का प्राइस $150। इतना महंगा जूता कौन लेता है यार, वो भी कभी कभी पहनने वाला जूता है वाला, तो मना कर देता हूँ वाइफ को चल के। Scarlett, like this? Now using, yes, using. Scarlett, is this good? Not in the hands. काफी छोटा ब्लॉग रखा है दोस्तों मैंने ये वाला,